Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a store homepage and I will tell you step by step. Okay, first we need to add products and I have already done from edit and automation. Okay, we have to reload. I have up to 70. Okay, we have only this and I have 17 and we need to see it is on collection homepage. Okay, we need to add in all products, but we need to see okay, add collection homepage and save. Okay, in 17 products we add the collection. Okay, we are on main thing. We are on go to on theme. Okay, in this we need to select the theme we need. Okay, I will like to wish theme. Okay, we need to see the free one. Um, okay, we need to like, you can get from this, we need to like to go back on online store and we need to use the default. It the Shopify give already when you go on Shopify, and what we need to design it. Okay, first what we need okay, the collection was added. What we need to delete this. Remove, and also we need to remove okay, it is not removing, we need to can change. Okay, what we need, first thing we need to add, okay, we need slideshow. Delete this. Okay, in the slideshow we can move to downward. Okay, in this we need to add things. Okay, we need to add medium. Small. Yes. Okay, and theme settings, animation. Every 3 seconds the slide was changed. Okay, the main thing was here, we need to add the image. Okay, I am on clothing and shoes. We need to go and add cloth. Okay, banner. Okay. Okay, we need to create on shoes, and we need to choose the banner. Hmm. Okay, we need simple, and simple. Okay, we are choosing this. Okay, it is good. We can erase this. Okay, we need to save as. We can create a new folder. New folder by store and save it. Okay, we need to go on this area and click on select add image and go to desktop store and this. Done. Okay. Okay, it is looking very good. Okay, the slide and second one we need to choose. Mm, we need to choose second one is Nike one. This is not 4K. Mm, okay, we need to see another. Mm, okay, we need to create the Shopify AI. Generate. We need. Okay, it is creating. It takes some time. Okay, I hope it is create best image and it is creating. And okay, here we go. It is create very good image. Keep done. Mm, Okay, we need to go it again. Okay, I hope it is created best image. Okay, it is creating. We need to keep it. Then no. Okay, what we need to delete this and we get one picture. Okay, we add shop now and size this small and delete. Also delete this. In this we need to add show. Okay. Okay, we need to add on left. Okay, container we need and left. Okay, we need in bottom. Okay, in this. Okay. Okay, here we go. We can make this and yeah. Okay. Okay, we need to add second thing on templates. Add image. Okay. Okay, in this we need to add the collections and we add this and here we go. We add the collection first and in this we add and shoe and one and dollars. Okay, it is best and okay, we need to add more section. Okay, we have the 4 elements and we have the animation and we need to can change the animation. Okay, what we need to add a section like and add it again. Okay, in this we need to add a product like t-shirt. We can remove this product and add shoe because this is on shoe. Here we go, and in this we need to add controller because it is this project is on shoe and controller, and we can plus it. Okay, we can see it in mobile, it is very good, and in this we in desktop we are seeing very good. We can have the animation and we can see it by my choice. Okay, we can add the email. Okay, second thing is this. Okay, we can remove it and add. Okay, we have no video. Email was here. Contact. Okay, contact inform, and we can change the color by like this and add more thing. Okay. Okay, and we have designed my store. Good, and it is the part one of my store on homepage, and we can customize it by hard and hard. And thanks for watching. We are create my first page, and next video we can see how to create the second page on catalog. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.